Hello, bebe. Bagong gising. Hala, bagong gising na si Buntis. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Want to fam! Ngayon, nandito kami ngayon sa aming haunted mansion. Di ba, bebe? Grabe, nakakatakot yung itsura pag sa labas. Nung dumating kami dito, sabi namin, parang abandoned. Welcome po dito sa ating haunted mansion. Actually, in fairness, maganda yung sa loob. Maganda yung sa loob, okay? Iba lang ang itsura sa labas. Ito ang kusina. Di ba? Bright na bright. Maputi. Maputing-maputi. Kaya maraming white lady dito. Ito na yung dining area. Ayun, di ba? May dining table. Nandiyan na. Nandiyan sa inyo. Living room. Tapos tingnan mo yung view, Shanta. Di ba? Ganda na yung view. Okay naman yung nasa loob. The driveway is super steep. Nahihirapan si Buntis. Ngayon, bebe, may surprise ka sa'yo, Shan. Oh, may surprise ka sa'yo. Hindi mo alam. Mag-impacking ka na, bebe. You pack your bags na. You pack your bags na.
There's nothing in here.
No, there's nothing in there. You just have to pack your bags.
Why?
Because we're leaving.
Yay! We are?
Yes, that's a surprise for you, son. You pack your bag. O, tingnan nyo, masaya na siya.
Kasi
Ang saya-saya niya.
nahihirapan ako pumunta sa beach. Gusto ko nandun ako para.
Oh, ang bilis ng impake si Shanta. Gusto niya. So, tingnan mo, saan tayo lilipat, Shan?
Hindi ko lang.
Magbabay na tayo sa haunted mansion.
Hindi naman yan haunted mansion. Wow, dala na.
Naman.
Nagulat ako kanina kasi akala ko may gift si Dwayne sa akin para sa Valentines. Nasa luggage ko. Hindi pala. Alis pala kami. Kasi gustong gusto ko na talaga umalis dyan. Kasi ang layo-layo. Tapos parang nakakatakot. Wala akong kasama pag nag-host si Dwayne pag gabi. Maganda doon actually pag magbabarkada kayo. Ayan, doon. Tapos madami kayo. Tapos ano ba, hindi ka buntis. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo pupunta. Excited na ako.
Alright, dito tayo sa tricycle. Dito na tayo, Shanta. Halaga. Oh, pagkita.
Thank you, Dwayne.
That's okay, baby. Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Magang disappointed ka man. I got you a hotel for Valentine's Day, nagreklamo. Nakakasakit sa dibdib. But you're like disappointed.
No, I'm not.
This is better than Crystal Sands because it's station 1. It's mas tahimik dito. It's better.
Yeah.
So why are you like disappointed?
What?
You look like you're disappointed.
I'm not. Tingnan niyo yung mukha ni Dwayne. I am happy.
Well, it's like you're like, I'm on Crystal Sands.
No,
It's Shanta and Prime
Yeah,
Resort.
I know.
Oh my gosh, any other girl would be so happy.
Kasi ganito lang yung resting face ko. Joke.
So are you happy or not?
I'm happy, of course. I don't.
Yes.
Yes, of course. I don't have to like go up that steep hill.
Well, yes, exactly. You don't. And then let's have a look out here. Ganda. Oh, diba?
I just feel like it's so like sayang and money.
No, sige lang because
Just like we still have 4 days dito on haunted building.
yeah, but that place was cheap lang. It was just so cheap, so it's fine. And this is
3,000. 7 days.
No.
We still have 4 5 days. Like 3,000.
no 4 nights.
Yeah, 3
13,
times 4.
14, 15, 16, 3, 6, 9, 12.
Yeah, we still have 12,000 dito.
Sige lang. It's fine because ito yung pinakahuli nating holiday. Because you're bored. So after you have the baby, wala na tayong vacation, di ba? Nagreklamo ka dun. You were not happy there. So don't think it's sayang. Think, yes, it's mopay. It's maganda na. It's super maganda.
Yeah, of course.
And we
I wish we just went straight here. So we didn't have to pay money dito. It's so much better than the one we have kanina.
Yes, oo nga. O, di ba? Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Let's go. Walking up that way. Valentine's Day, bebe.
Ay, nasugad ako ka.
Buntis sa beach. Good morning, gandang umaga. Diretso na sa beach. Morning. Morning.
Ito yung unang flight ni nang bubuntis. Madami. Thank you. Wow, Johnny, may ano ka?
May duwanta pa.
Yeah, may duwanta pa. Nanyo, may duwanta pa.
Welcome to Hen and Prime Duwanta. Pag nakatalikod, parang normal. Pag humarap na, ayan, buntis pala. You know? Ganyan, mag-swimming si Shanta.
Tafa! Yay! Doon Tafa, galing Pampanga.
Hi, I'm Greg, and I use PhilTalk.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may PhilTalk ako.
Ako di ay si Dwayne. Ug na ako'y PhilTalk.
Magandang PhilTalk kasi para siyang social media para sa Pilipinas. At para rin sa mga dayuhan na gustong matutong mag-Tagalog or mag-Bisaya. It connects Filipinos to people from other countries na interesado sa ating kultura.
PhilTalk is great because now my husband can learn to speak my native language.
Yeah, so if you talk about me, I'll understand. Mag-ingat ka, ha?
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, PhilTalk is awesome.
It's simple. Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
If you sign up with a free account, you get to do things like post your status, add friends, join groups, and really connect with the Filipino people.
And if you sign up for a premium account, you get all of that, plus full access to a Tagalog program and a Visayan learning program.
PhilTalk is a way for foreigners to connect to the Philippines and for Filipinos to connect with foreigners.
PhilTalk.
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 Connect, learn, and discover with PhilTalk.
Sign up to PhilTalk today.